Hi, I'm Matt Burns, Director of Technical Marketing at Samtec. Today we're coming to you from the floor of Supercomputing 23 in the Mile High city of Denver. Here at Supercomputer 23, there are several popular topics, including exascale and quantum computing, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, and many more. In addition, CXL is one of those hot topics that everyone's talking about. Largely used by designers of data center servers, supercomputers, and enterprise computing systems for applications like AI and ML. CXL enables cache coherency between CPUs and external devices. CXL 3.0 leverages PCIe 6.0 electrical and physical layers at 64 gigatransfers per second PAM4. It also improves latency and memory and storage use cases. This is one of the many live product demonstrations showcasing new technologies and standards, including CXL 3.0. Working with our friends at Alphawave, we see a prototypical PCIe AI hardware design. An Alphawave pipe core and Pi core IP generate CXL 3.0 traffic running at PCIe 6.0 data rates, again 64 gigatransfers per second PAM4 data rates. The signal travels through a Samtec BE70A Bullseye high-performance test point system, through low-loss coax to Samtec 1.85mm precision RF connectors located on adding card number 1. The signal then travels through the card through a Samtec HSEC6 DV micro edge card connector to a rigid backplane. This connector complies to SFFTA 1002. The signal then travels through 14 inches of backplane PCB to another HSEC6 DV edge card connector to add in card number 2 and back to the Alphawave pipe core and Pi core IP for analysis. So what are the results of this high-performance, high-speed demonstration? You can see that we have BER of e to the minus 11, very clean eye diagrams, and very clean bathtub curves. This demonstration shows that Samtec high-speed interconnect systems can effectively operate in 64 gigatransfer per second PAM4 platforms, including PCI Express, AI, ML, and HPC applications. For more information about Samtec's HSEC6 connectors, please visit our website at samtec.com/HSEC6-DV. If you have any technical questions about this demonstration or other signal integrity topics, please contact our technical experts at sig@samtec.com. I'm Matt Burns. Thanks for watching.